Good morning. Cindy here with part 2 of Berkeley Sedge in the garden. Stay tuned and I'll show you how I planted and put in a drip system and added mulch to give this boring walkway a nice little bit of fun. So we are in Central Texas, and we definitely need to add some kind of water irrigation system. So I like to use drip, and this is from Drip Depot. This is a do-it-yourself system, and I will provide a link below on how you can order this tubing and the all of the different connectors that you'll need. You also need these landscape pins from, I just get these at any big box hardware store, and you'll need this guy. Now this bed is a fairly loose amended garden bed, so this is going to be really easy, but this is a nice trencher, and I'll drag it very gently. I'm going to try not to hurt the Asiatic jasmine that's been trying to spread in this garden. So I'm going to go ahead and drag this around, making myself a trench. I'm going to pop the hose down in it, and I'm going to place these hooks about every 16 to 18 inches. That'll keep it in place, and then I'll just kind of go back over and cover it up. I don't want to bury this very deep, maybe 2 to 3 inches. And then I'm going to put my mulch on top, and it should be good to go. Everything should stay nice and watered. What we have learned is the more drip hose, the better. So I am going to put these only about 12 inches apart. I was thinking, I didn't need much drip, but as time has told us, more drip is better. More of this tubing is better because it's very slow drip and it's very hot here. Okay, so let's get started. Okay, I've got the drip laid out and buried as far as I want it. This was a little more difficult because of the Asiatic jasmine roots. They were really thick and I didn't want to tear them up. So could have gone down a little bit lower, but it'll be fine. Now I'm going to cover it up with mulch. So here we go. So I like to use this Texas native cedar mulch. You can get this at any Lowe's, Home Depot, and I put about 2 or 3 inches of this. It's just this shredded cedar trees. It does break down slowly, and it definitely keeps the moisture in the garden bed instead of, just evaporating really quickly. And it also smells really good. It smells like cedar, and it says it's a natural insect repellent. So that's a good thing. All right, so I'm going to begin spreading this around. I'm almost finished with the project. Yay! So I wanted to show you my big bag hack. This is a 40-pound bag of mulch, and it is hard for me to spread this around when it's this size. So my little hack, I think I've shown y'all this before, is I cut the bag right down the middle, and I flip it over, and I cut it on the back into 2 bags. And then with 2 bags, I can easily move these around and spread this mulch where I want it. And I am going to have to keep locating the Asiatic jasmine. I've kind of buried it, so I don't want to bury it and kill it. So it's going to be, I'm going to have to do both. Now this is kind of wet, so that's why it's a different color. As soon as it dries, it'll be the same color as what I have here, hopefully. So here is the finished project. My Berkeley sedge is in, and the drip system is in. The mulch is laid on top. The Asiatic jasmine hopefully will recover after me running over it with the big cultivator tool. But in a month, this is going to look great. And here on the other side too. There's one missing right here. I'm going to go get that today. Anyway, and if you are looking for a source for Berkeley sage in North Austin, I love to go to Leaf, L-E-A-F. It's a wholesale nursery, but they sell to the public. And you can go in anytime, and these were $10 each. So I think they are great. They love the limestone, the drought, the extreme sun, and I can't wait to see how they turn out. So thanks for joining me today, and if you like this content, please like and subscribe for more. Bye-bye.